Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share part 2 of our couples night routine with you, and Ryan's back.
You know it.
You guys loved him here last time. I mean, I had fun doing it with you.
Guest appearance is always a good time.
You do have a really great voice. A lot of people said.
We both have podcast voices.
Well, it's true. So my last night routine ended with dinner. So usually after dinner and watching some TV, I'll go in and wash my face. I didn't do this in the shower, which I do sometimes, but sometimes I don't. So tonight I started with my LMS. This is like a cream cleanser, and I've been obsessed with these kind of balmy, creamy cleansers because they help get all the makeup off your face, but they also help keep you really like moisturized and hydrated. So after I wash my face, I'll tap it dry and then put toner on to kind of seal and lock everything up. And then I'm still using my agency. This has like retinol and stuff in it to help with fine lines and really like keep your skin nice and clear. And then I'm using this moisturizer. This is from Drunk Elephant, and I'll usually put it all over my chest, up my neck, and then up my face, going in like upward circular motions. And then LMS sent me these really cool little like oil pods. So they're like for night and day. I've been trying to use them both times. And again, that goes last. And then my eye cream at the very end there. And then I'm still using this castor oil on a brush to brush up my eyebrows and help keep them really soft since I've been doing lamination. And then I've been putting some on my eyelashes because I heard it helps them grow. I don't know, but it feels nice. And then I'll go over with some more oil because it's winter and I'm so freaking dry. After I do my face and skincare, I'll floss my teeth. I do this every single night. I've talked about this in routines before, but no matter how good I take care of my teeth, I always have issues.
I need to be better at flossing.
Oh, you do. But you have perfect teeth. You never have problems.
No, I had a cavity the other day.
Well, that's like 1 in 10 years.
It's true.
I have one like every time I go. So I'll floss and then brush, and I've been trying to be really careful brushing. I've been using Sensodyne because I had a root canal like a month ago.
And believe it or not, I do have a skincare routine. I didn't for a long time, but Katie got me on the train, and I'm glad she did because I think my skin will continue to be healthier longer, so I'm pretty happy about that.
Guys age too.
Yes, we do. So I start with the toner. I didn't use a toner.
You wash your face first, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Oh, I wash my face first, and then I use a toner. I don't know if that does anything. Does this do anything? I heard it does something like it dries it. It feels tingly, so I do it. Next, I use the serum. So vitamin C serum makes me feel nice and oily. And then I use this from Context. It's just a night moisturizer. So kind of rub that all over my face. I do have another night cream that I use under my eyes. This time I'm stealing Katie's. So I'm just using that one and just get my eyes because I stay up kind of late. And so the under eye bags. Crow's feet. Yeah. Nobody wants to do that. So we're just going to avoid that. And then, I brush my teeth for the solid 2 minutes. I don't floss enough, like I said. So it's something I'm trying to do, but really should do more. And then, better believe it, got a night guard. So I grind my teeth really bad, and the night guard is a major, major savior.
And I just washed all of our sheets, so luckily I had Ryan help me put it together. I get lost in these duvet covers every single time, no matter how many times I've done it.
Feels like there should be more filling.
I know. Okay, if you guys have recommendations for inserts, please tell me. I want like a fluffy Princess Cloud insert. And I've had a few in the past, and they always just feel like limp. I don't know what to say. There's not enough fluff.
I mean, ours is nice, but it just, could use a little more volume to it.
I want to feel like a princess going to sleep.
You are.
Thank you. Okay, so then I made my slumber party and made Ryan some protein. Every single night we have like our routines, obviously, and having protein before you go to bed is so beneficial for so many different reasons. You've been doing this for like
I've been loving
a long time
now. I still don't get enough protein during the day, no matter how hard I try. And this is just so easy, and it tastes so good. Every time I drink it, I'm like, who made this protein?
I know. I feel like I'm such a nerd because literally, like, every single time we drink it, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so good, you guys. So then I'll do my slumber party. I do protein in it a lot as well, but I had a lot of protein today. So I'm just going to make a little cocoa action, a little whipped cream. I don't do this every single night, obviously, but I do the slumber party. But the cocoa just sounded like good.
And then once Katie takes slumber party, we have about a solid maybe 30 minutes before she is out cold. So we'll come back to the couch and try to catch a show. Usually Katie tells me just a short show, because if we try to watch a 45 or an hour one,
no, I need a little show, and it needs to make me happy. Goldberg's is usually my like happy place before bed. Yeah, it's nice and short. So when I know I'm like hitting the end, I will go in. I had like a really bad breakout because I don't know, I've been a little stressed and overwhelmed lately. So put these little zip patches on. These work so well, you guys. So I'll put a link down below for them too, for you. But I'll put that on and just sleep with it because you can leave it on for up to about 8 hours. And then I always light my candle. I've been switching out my candles, but this one I'm like kind of burning it to the end because it was a yummy lavender and it feels just so peaceful at night. And then I'll also put my essential oils in my diffuser. So I have some cinnamon leaf and clove, and then I have this blend that I made that has like frankincense and myrrh and what else did it have in it? I don't remember. A bunch of different ones. And it just smells really good at night, and it's supposed to be really good for your thyroid and adrenals as well. So I'll put that in and get it going. And then I finally kind of got back into making my essential oil blend. So this is another one I made for my thyroid. If you guys want me to give you like the combination of all the oils, just comment below and I'll write them all down for you and drop it in here too. And then I have this pillow mist that's just really relaxing. It's supposed to help calm your nerves. So I'll spray that all over the sheets and pillow. And my mom just got me this new Bible. It's like a study Bible because I was feeling like it's very overwhelming. And if you're trying to read the Bible just to like start reading and be like, okay, what does this mean? So this one actually gives you like more context to help put it in more like common layman's terms as well. So I've been loving doing that at night for a few minutes, and it just helps set my mind right before I go to sleep.
There's something missing.
What is it?
It's me.
Oh, that's true. You never come to bed with me.
Generally not. Yeah, so I'll usually stay up and still do a little bit of work after Katie goes to sleep. So I will just come and do the tuck.
You've always tucked me in, like since day one. Is that weird, you guys? I don't know.
I mean, I don't like, okay, I'm going to get in sometimes.
Yeah, you do cuddle me, usually for a little bit.
It's not, we're not talking like an actual like tucking of the side of the covers.
No, but it's like, I love you, good night. Yeah. I'll see you soon.
It's an extended good night.
Yeah.
That's nice.
And to be honest, like, I've always had a hard time sleeping, and I was nervous to get married because I was so scared about sleeping with someone else. So I really love it.
So once Katie goes to sleep, then I will go around and I will turn off all of the lights in the house and make sure that everything's locked up and all good. Generally speaking, I'm a little bit quiet once Katie goes to bed because even like a pin drop could wake her up. But I did legs earlier this week and I'm still feeling it. So I'll use the LSF 2-in-1 foam roller and do a little bit of double time here. So I like to roll out my neck. I honestly could stay there rolling that out for hours, but just a little bit of time rolling the neck and then some on the legs with the main foam roller.
I love getting to see what you do because I have no idea.
I know, it's the first breaking news for you. So once I've rolled that out a little bit, I will hop back on the computer, and I'm usually going to start editing some more photos, editing a video, or just really catching up on emails. And while I do that, I like to listen to either a podcast or a book. So right now I'm listening to Ready Player 2, which is the sequel to my favorite movie, Ready Player 1. And that's really, really nice. It's like just calming and allows me to kind of check out for a little bit while I do some work and also get in some good reading, but not actually reading. And then I'll slip back in ever so quietly. You can tell the handle sometimes makes noise, so I just gotta sneak back in there so Katie doesn't wake up. And then I use the light on my phone so I don't hurt myself walking around the room.
Hope you guys love seeing part 2 of this couples night routine. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.